Okay,
rolling.
Welcome to K2 Unmanned Systems. Another great video here. We're out here with the Nighthawk. We got Jake here. He's the main engineer. He's gonna be flying the bird while I talk, because that's what I do. I talk, he flies. So we're just gonna show you a demonstration right now. Today we're gonna be tuning this bird up a little bit, and we're gonna show you a little bit of the process and how things are done.
All right, taking off.
So Jake's taking off here. As you can see, he's just spinning up the motors, their props. We're just gonna, this is our Connects build. So you have HD Connects on here. It's got a FLIR Duo Pro. As you can see, we got those daytime LED lights, those day rated LED lights, so you can see it, give you a good longer than visual line of sight. Stays aloft for 30 minutes. Full customer support when you get this. Got T motors on that bad boy with some T props. Great for your search and rescue operations. Also for mapping. Can perform those. Autonomous missions, of course. We run Open Mission Planner through ArduPilot. So it's very applicable to customers to allow to help their customers. And that's what's gonna make you money in the end, right? Is how is this unit gonna help you make money? Because this is a business in a box right here. Now, yeah, we are a little higher than everyone else coming in, but remember, we give you full customer support. Repair and maintenance is nationwide. And it's a beautiful machine, as you can see. So remember, you can always visit us at k2unmanned.com, Instagram, Twitter. We're on social media platforms, YouTube. We got Kyle, the intern over there, he's helping. He's our LED specialist. If all you guys were watching, we had that LED video we put on one of our quads. That's Kyle's doing. And as you can see, we do have a light breeze, as you can see with the leaves moving in the back on the trees. We like to do our testing here because it's in a depression, so you're not worried about too much crosswind or anything like that. This unit has no airspace restrictions. So it's on permission basis. You can fly this in a TFR, inside control airspace, as long as you have the authorization to do so. There's also training involved with this, this unit as well. There's 4 years behind this unit that we've created. This was designed in-house by Jake, who went to school at Cal Poly Pomona and did some extracurricular activities in their UAV extracurricular program, and as you can see, it pays off. Cal Poly Pomona, state of California, invested in drones, and now it's paying off big time. It's modular too. Cameras can be different. It doesn't always have to be a FLIR Duo Pro. We can put a zoom cam on it. For some of you people in search and rescue, that's helpful. Also too, a benefit to a zoom cam is it can extend your battery life. So instead of actually having to go and fly over to something to see what it is, you can just zoom in and out, and that'll help you loiter, help you with your battery time. Also to stay within visual line of sight. But as you can see, the tuning, what it's doing is it's adjusting itself. It's allowing to check its own parameters so it can stay in, I guess you would call zero flight, where it's not trying to move around. You're controlling the commands. So it has to gauge itself how far it needs to go away from that center point of gravity. And see, even someone from Cal State Long Beach who has no experience in aeronautics, working enough with people at K2, even I can spit out some jargon that sounds cool. So it takes a while. It takes a while for it to tune itself, and remember, this is doing it all on its own. This is the aircraft tuning it. All those movements are done by the aircraft. It's not done by Jake. He's not sitting there moving them. That's why it's finding itself in its auto tune. And as you can see, lands like a charm. So if you have any questions about the Nighthawk, please feel free to visit our website, look at any information that we have on there, and you can contact me at kent@k2unmanned.com, or you can always contact info@k2unmanned.com, and it looks like you're ready for a Nighthawk.